Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Greenvale, Hatfield, Manchester, is this charming 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom, split level house that is waiting for the next purchaser to call it their home or for investment. The basement accommodates a 1 bedroom self contained income earner flat, which is currently tenanted. Ground floor facilitates entrance patio, living and dining areas, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen with dining area, laundry room, balcony, and in unit laundry, which is currently tenanted. The upper floor is unoccupied and has a master bedroom, master bathroom with jacuzzi, with walk in closet, 2 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living and dining areas, and patio. The land size is 0.22 acres and is located approximately 10 minutes from the town center of Mandeville, 5 minutes from the Tropics View Hotel, and walking distance to supermarkets and other establishments. Call to submit your offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 54 million, US 342.2 thousand, Canadian 489.9 thousand, Euro 314.9 thousand, or £266,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.